Hitting the water next is race 176 for the under-19 boys. Dub 6, 250 metre Te Takere finals. Lane 1, Westlake boys. Lane 2, Kaiparataniwha. Lane 3 is Mangapu. Tuakau College in 4. Hastings boys in 5. Western Springs in 6. Kaikohe in 7. Te Kōpuku in 8. Hastings and Napier boys. Oh, no, sorry. Havelock North, Western Heights in 10. Rahui Pōkeka in 11. And Pukekohe in 12. Dominated. This is going to be another boosty Te Takere final e te iwi.
Looking for some sub 1 minute times.
I think that's what all of our 19 boys are trying to edge in this year, is trying to get underneath a minute. They currently trying to break the record set a couple of years ago. I believe it was 54, 55, thereabouts. As we predicted earlier, these boys are going to try and push those start flags for a rolling start. Our poor boat crew out there looking like Eskimos. Green flag goes up. The crowd erupts, and out the gate comes the boys. It looks like the first off the mark was lane number 1 and the lane number 4, Westlakes and Tuakau College. No te puaha Waikato. Yeah.
Oh, chuck a blanket over them. Koira te tata.
That's what we like to see in these finals too, and it's very common. These boys have worked tirelessly over the last 24 hours to establish their places through Kiro te inga whiringa whaanui kātahi, Kiro te inga whiringa whaaiti, I nāe nei, ke te whakakanuhi I tō rātou kura Kiro te inga whiringa toa.
Western Springs College, me te Kōpuku High School possibly leading just by a little bit at this point. As they come into that last push, who has it?
It's gonna be set in the middle there. In lane number 6, your champions of champions for the under-19 boys. Dub 6, 250 metre Te Takere finals. Western Springs College, Kawo. Nice paddling, you fellas.
That's what you like to see, mihi ki ngā hoa.
Here's that replay of the start though. Gracious enough to be awarded that rolling start from the boats. Lane number 1 looked hot off the line. Chased down in the middle there by lane number 6. Upping the ante now as they pass that halfway mark. Cruised through the finish line to go home national champions for 2026. Gold for the boys from Westlakes, Western Springs Kawo Motakuhe.
Anei ngā whakaputanga wā, Western Springs Kawo, 1 minute 2 seconds. Te Kōpuku High, Whatukura 19, 1 minute 4 seconds, .50. Hastings Boys Manuhia Black, 1 minute 5 seconds, .24.